Hello, I'm Johanna Aalto, and in this video I'm going to show you how to import data from URL to SAS University Edition. If you need, watch my other video of how to download, install and configure the SAS. In that video there are also instructions how to open the program. In this video I assume you have opened your SAS. Let's start. When you open SAS, this view will appear. You can find the Code tab, Log, and Results. On the left you can see folders, and down here tasks and some other stuff. Let's click the Code tab and start to write. How to read data from URL. First I will write that we had data called A. It's not a very good name, it's better to use more describing name. Infile command tells that we are going to import some data. Inside the question marks, we write the link. After link, we must say that it's URL address. Write the semicolon after every sentence. Let's see how our example data looks like. It's a simple page with numerical values. We also have a page where we can find variable descriptions. Let's copy the value labels. With input command I can add the value labels. Then I paste the names I just copied. Then I write run. We can run the program by clicking the icon with running person. Now we have a new tab called output data. The program itself was in the code tab. On the log tab we can see possible errors and warnings. The result tab is empty so far. In output data we can see how many rows and columns there are. You can select all or just some of the columns. How to print rows to make sure we have data. We saw the output data already, but I'm going to show you how the print command works. Data we want to print is from table A. Print 20 rows. Run the program and we can see 20 rows of observations. Thank you for watching. More videos coming.